So solve nyo to while I read the comments. Ilan po yung score nyo sa majorship, ma'am? Okay, hindi ko alam kung ilan yung score ko, but I know my percentage. So I got 94%. So 120 times 94, 112.8. So maybe 113 ang aking score. But guys, marami doon ang hinulaan ko kasi nung time namin sobrang dami pang typo error. Grabe talaga. Hindi ko talaga in-expect na papasa ako, let alone na magta-top talaga ako. I was the last one, swear, to be there. Galit na yung proctor kasi gabi na, yung lahat ng kasama ko nag-uwian na. Ako ayoko kasi naiiyak ako. Ayun. Yun po yun. Thank you sa nagtanong noon. Yan. 4th year pa lang po ako, Ma'am Kat, at alam ko makakatulong to sa CA4 namin. Yan. Okay. Ano pong model ng calculator nyo po, Ma'am? Again, this is the calculator FX991ES Plus. I'm not sure kung ano yung mga allowed calculators. Make sure that you are reading the guidelines issued by PRC. But I think this is allowed kasi parang pinagamit naman, may isa doon na may ganitong calculator, pinagamit naman. Pero may nabalitaan ako na may hindi pinagamit. So make sure lang na tama yung calculator nyo kasi sayang yung inaral nyo at hindi nyo magamit yung calculator nyo. Malaking bagay yon ha, na may calcio kayo. Pa-shout out sa lahat ng BS Math ng Western Mindanao State University, ma'am. Shout out sa inyo lahat ng BS Math ng Western Mindanao. Okay. Wala pong time limit sa actual let. Actually, meron po. Sa Gen Ed, ay naku, nakalimutan ko yung time. Sa Gen Ed ang una niyong gagawin sa umaga, Prof Ed sa afternoon, and then afternoon is Prof Ed, afternoon is major. I think 3 hours yung sa major. Nakalimutan ko na kung 2 hours ata, 2 hours 30 minutes. Ayan, so wait lang. To the rescue, si Sir. Gen Ed is 2 hours, Prof Ed is 3 hours, and major is, I think, 3 hours din. Yeah, 3.5. Okay, 3.5. So, whole day talaga kayo doon. Whole day. So, magdala ng lunch. Okay. So, ang dami na comment. Sorry, hindi ko na mabasa. Mag-solve na tayo ng ating mga questions. Okay, so this is fun, I think. This is part of trig na ata to. So, how do you solve this? So you have 2 cosine squared x minus cosine x minus 1 equals 0. When you say solve, again, pag sinabing solve, hinahanap niyo yung value ni x. Parang kanina, di ba, sa number 2, natatandaan nyo? Solve for this. So, anong value ni x, when you plug in there, it will give you 0, and the interval is only from 0 to 270, not including the end points. Okay? So, from 0 to 270 degrees. So, how do you solve this? Trial and error ba? Well, pwede. Actually, medyo mas mabilis kung magta-trial and error, but there is a way to solve this. Kung makikita nyo kasi to, at ito, this is what? A trinomial, di ba? Trinomial yan. Ito naka-square. Tapos ito hindi. So, actually, you can let u, okay, or let x. If wag x kasi you're solving for x. Let u be equal to cosine x. Okay, bakit? If u is equal to cosine x, then this is u squared. Correct ba? Kasi this is cosine squared. So this is just cosine. So this is 2u squared minus u minus 1 equals 0. Okay, tama. And then u factor, di ba? Magiging 2u minus 1. Wait lang. 2u, sorry, u lang pala to. u plus 1. So, ito yung may plus, ito yung may minus. Okay? So, 2u plus 1, u minus 1. Bakit? Kasi pag nag-FOIL ka ulit, magiging 2u squared. Ito magiging negative 2u plus 1. So, magiging negative 1 lang. And then, negative 1. Okay? So, double check your factoring always. Or, you can use the Caltech again para mag-factor kung trip nyo. Okay? And this is equal to 0. Again, by zero product rule, this means that 2u plus 1 is equal to 0 or u minus 1 is equal to 0. Which means that u is equal to 1 or 2u is equal to negative 1 and u is equal to negative 1/2. But remember, what is u? U is cosine x. U is, tatawa ko sa boses ko. So, cosine x equals negative 1/2 or cosine x is equal to 1. So, kailan yan? What values of x is this? So, again, pwede na kayong mag-caltech dyan. Pwede na kayong mag-cosine inverse. But I hope you remember na magiging 1 lang to sa 0 degree, di ba? 1, 0, tas hindi na siya magiging 1 ulit. 0, 1 dito, dito negative 1, 0, dito ay 0, negative 1. Okay? So, ayan. So, actually, ito, wala tong magiging chance. Hindi siya magiging 1 from this interval. Okay? So, kailan na lang siya negative 1/2? So, you can use the calculator. Balik na ako, ha? Kung naka-complex kayo, balik ako sa comp. Okay? So, cosine inverse. So, shift ng cosine. Kikita niyo yung may -1 and then negative 1/2. So, that solves kung anong value niyan. Be also mindful, naka-degree ako. Okay, so naka-degree, which is naka-degree kasi yung problem. Pero kung gusto nyo radian, pwede nyo namang i-change yan sa radian. Okay lang. And if we do that there, okay, may 120 ka na, and dahil may 120 ka na, sure ka na na isa lang yan. Letter D lang yung sagot. Okay? Kasi it's, I think it's 120n. Okay? 120n or 2 pi over 3 yan eh. 2 pi over 3n. Okay? So every 2 pi over 3n or 120n, it's gonna be 0. Okay, so 120 and 240. If you want, I do this, nung patapos na, I double check my answer. So, I tried the answers. Okay? So, clear naman to. Medyo marami ang nakakuha. Nag-Caltech po. Ayan, may onting Caltech. Hindi ko na to kinaltech kasi mami-mental to. But you can do for that factoring ay mode 5. Mode 5, number 3. Okay? Plug in mo lang 2, negative 1, negative 1. 2, negative 1, negative 1. Okay? Ayan. 1 at saka 1/2. Negative 1/2. Yan. Meron ng sagot. Okay? Yan. Okay? Clear? Clear? Crystal? Okay naman? Okay? At saka isa lang yung 120 dyan. So, yan na yung sagot. Okay. So,